Hi, my name is John Alexander. I'm a trainer at Fitness Together in Westborough, and I'm about to demonstrate a groin stretch for you. So what I'm going to use is any object is fine. I like things that are about knee height, a little bit higher. So a typical bench, an ottoman in the living room, anything works. What we're trying to hit is the groin in here. Okay, it opens up the SI joint. It's a great thing to eliminate back pain as well. So it just has to be done correctly, like anything else. So what we're going to do first, roll the shoulders back, good posture, exaggerate it at first. Okay, we don't want any rounding of the back, we want everything tight. Alright, I want to put my hands on the bench and rest my weight on that, slowly extending my legs to the side. When you get down low enough, depending on your flexibility level, you will feel the stretch in here. Any ankle pain, just rotate the toes out simply like that. If I have the flexibility to do it and I still can keep good posture, I'm going to just place my forearms here, meditatively breathe through the diaphragm, and let those muscles sink and relax. Try to hold about a minute, do 3 to 4 sets.